Hello, welcome students. I am Rekha Thorat, Associate Professor. Today we consider geometrical relation between total differential equations and simultaneous differential equations. We know that the total differential equations is p dx plus q dy plus r dz equal to 0, denoted as number 1, and simultaneous differential equations are dx upon p equal to dy upon q equal to dz upon r. Denote these equations as which is number 2. We know that the locus means set of points. The locus of system of simultaneous equations 2 is tangent to the curve passing through the point xyz on it. Also, the locus of total differential equations 1 is normal to the surface at any point xyz on it. That is, this locus is tangent to the curve and this locus of points is normal to the surface at any point xyz on it. Hence, the locus of total differential equation p dx plus q dy plus r dz equal to 0 is orthogonal to the locus of simultaneous differential equations dx upon p equal to dy upon q equal to dz upon r. For objective questions, this can be asked as the locus of total differential equations is dash dash to the locus of simultaneous differential equations. That is, they are orthogonal. Now we consider some examples of total differential equations. Solve yz dx plus zx dy plus xy dz equal to 0. We first write given equation in the solution, and this is total differential equations in the form of p dx. Total differential equation is in the form of p dx plus q dy plus r dz equal to 0. P dx plus q dy plus r dz equal to 0. So compare this given equation with total differential equation p dx plus q dy plus r dz equal to 0. Here p equal to yz, q equal to zx, r equal to xy. Now we check first the condition of integrability. That is, p into bracket deba q by deba z minus deba r by deba y bracket complete plus q into bracket deba r by deba x minus deba p by deba y bracket complete plus r into bracket deba p by deba y minus deba q by deba x bracket complete. This is equal to p is yz into bracket deba q by deba z. Deba q by deba z is x. Derivative with respect to z. Derivative of z is 1 and x is with respect to z, x is constant and it is multiplied. So 1 into x, that is x, minus deba r by deba y. Deba r by deba y with respect to y, derivative of y is 1 and x with respect to y, x is constant and it is multiplied. So 1 into x is x plus q. Q is zx. Deba r by deba x. Deba r by deba x, derivative of x is 1 and y is constant, it is multiplied. So 1 into y is y minus deba p by deba y. Deba p by deba y is also z since derivative of y is 1 and z is constant, multiply by it. Minus deba q by deba x. Deba q by deba x, derivative of x is 1 and z is multiplied. So minus z. Finally we get 0. Thus the condition of integrability is here satisfied. But for writing this condition of integrability, you have to remember this condition of integrability. If there is any difficulty in writing this condition of integrability, you remember the condition of integrability in this way also, that is PQR deba by deba x deba by deba y deba by deba z equal to 0. That is P into bracket deba q by deba z minus deba r by deba y. Middle term is negative, but if we take positive, then q plus q into bracket, take deba r by deba x first, minus deba p by deba y, plus r into bracket deba p by deba y minus deba q by deba x equal to 0. This condition of integrability is satisfied. That means only you have to remember that this determinant equal to 0. This is PQR determinant of PQR deba by deba x deba by deba y deba by deba z equal to 0. This condition must be satisfied for the total differential equation. This is condition of integrability. That is, this is necessary condition of integrability. To any total differential equation must satisfy this condition of integrability. So write this first determinant equal to 0, and by expanding the determinant you can write this condition of integrability, and then you have to verify whether given equation satisfied this condition of integrability, that is this value of the determinant equal to 0 or not. If this condition of integrability is satisfied, then the given equation is integrable. That means given equation satisfies this necessary condition of integrability. Now, by taking any one of the variable, say z, to be constant, so that dz equal to 0. Hence given equation becomes yz dx plus zx dy equal to 0. That is z into bracket y dx plus x dy equal to 0. That is z into d of xy equal to 0. Integrating we get z of xy equal to constant, and constant is with respect to z, it is considered as phi of z. That is xyz equal to phi of z, denote it as number 1. Now we differentiate this equation 1 with respect to x, y and z. So we get yz dx plus xz dy plus xy dz equal to phi dash z dz. Derivative of phi of z is phi dash z dz. Now we compare this equation 2 with the given equation, so that we get this phi of z equal to 0, that is phi dash z equal to 0, phi dash z dz equal to 0, that is phi dash z equal to 0, hence phi of z must be equal to constant. Hence the solution is xyz equal to c, it is phi of z equal to constant. Thus, to solve any total differential equation, first you have to verify the condition of integrability, and then take any one of the variable as constant, so that if z is constant, then dz is equal to 0. Then write the reduced form of given equation, and then find the solution of reduced equation and put constant equal to phi of z. And then this integral, you have to differentiate this solution, that is integral you get with respect to x, y and z, and give it as number 2, and then compare this equation 2 with given equation. But in given equation RHS side is 0, that is given equation is yz dx plus zx dy plus xy dz equal to 0. So we get phi dash z dz equal to 0. That is phi dash z equal to 0. So phi of z must be equal to constant. So in the solution 1, we get xyz equal to c. This is solution of given equation. Now we consider another example. Solve in bracket 2x plus y square plus 2xz bracket complete to dx plus 2xy dy plus x square dz equal to 0. We first write given equation in the solution and then compare this total differential equation with p dx plus q dy plus r dz equal to 0. Hence by comparing we get p equal to 2x plus y square plus 2xz, q equal to 2xy and r equal to x square. Then we write this condition of integrality, that is p into bracket del bar q by del bar z minus del bar by del bar y plus q into bracket del bar by del bar x minus del bar p by del bar z plus r into bracket del bar p by del bar y minus del bar q by del bar x equal to p means this bracket 2x plus y square plus 2xz into del bar q by del bar z. There is no term of z, so del bar q by del bar z is 0 minus del bar by del bar y. In r there is no any term of y, so derivative is 0 plus q is 2xy into bracket del bar by del bar x. Del bar by del bar x is 2x minus del bar p by del bar z. Del bar p by del bar z with respect to z, derivative of z is 1 and x y are constant, so 1 into 2x, that is 2x plus r is x square into bracket del bar p by del bar y. Del bar p by del bar y with respect to y, x, z are constant, that is 2y minus del bar q by del bar x with respect to x, y is constant, that is 2y minus 2y. So finally we get 0. That is condition of integrability. Necessary condition of integrability for total differential equation is satisfied for this given equation. Now we take by theory one of the variable as constant. Here we treat z as constant. So dz equal to 0. So given equation reduces to in bracket 2x plus y square plus 2xz bracket complete into dx plus 2xy dy equal to 0. We write this reduced form of given equation in separated form as 2x dx plus 2xz dx plus y square dx plus 2xy dy equal to 0. This can be written in the form as 2x dx plus 2xz dx plus d of xy square equal to 0. Integrating this equation we get 2x square by 2, that is x square plus z is constant with respect to x is 2x square by 2, that is x square z plus derivative and integration cancels with each other, we get xy square equal to constant. We put constant as phi of z. Thus we get solution, that is integral as x square plus x square z plus xy square equal to phi of z. Denote it as number 1. Differentiating with respect to x, y and z, we get 2x dx plus 2xz dx plus x square dz plus 2xy dy plus y square dx minus phi dash z dz equal to 0. Taking common dx, we get in bracket 2x plus y square plus 2xz bracket complete into dx plus 2xy dy plus in bracket x square minus phi dash z dz bracket complete equal to 0. Now we compare this equation 2 with given equation. Given equation is in bracket 2x plus y square plus 2xz bracket complete into dx plus 2xy dy plus x square dz equal to 0. Comparing this equation 2 with given equation, we get x square minus 5 dash z equal to x square. Since given term is in equation 2 is in this form. So we get minus 5 dash z dz equal to 0. Hence integrating we get phi of z equal to constant. We put this value of phi of z in this equation, that is integral, we denote it as 1. So solution of this equation is x square plus x square z plus xy square equal to phi of z, that is c. Alternatively, given equation can be solved in another way, as first we check the condition of integrability, that is determinant equal to 0, and if the condition of integrability is satisfied, then we rearrange the given terms of equation in this form as 2x dx plus in bracket y square dx plus 2xy dy plus in bracket 2xz dx plus x square dz bracket complete equal to 0. That is d of x square is 2x plus d of in bracket xy square bracket complete is this bracket plus d of x square z is this last bracket equal to 0. And integrating we get so derivative and integration cancels, we get solution as x square plus xy square plus x square z equal to c. This is the required solution of given equation. That is, instead of taking any variable of constant, you can solve by rearranging the term and then integrating. You can get solution or integral of given equation. It means we get final solution of given equation, but you have to first verify the necessary condition of integrability. That is, first check the value of the determinant must be equal to 0. That is PQR deba by deba x deba by deba y deba by deba z must be equal to 0. Now we consider next example. Solve yz dx plus 2xz dy minus 3xy dz equal to 0. This is total differential equation in the form of p dx plus q dy plus r dz equal to 0. So we compare given equation with standard total differential equation. P dx plus q dy plus r dz equal to 0. Hence p equal to yz, q equal to 2xz, r equal to minus 3xy. Then we check the condition of integrability. That means determinant equal to 0, whether the necessary condition is satisfied or not. First you have to write the determinant PQR deba by deba x deba by deba y deba by deba z equal to 0. And expanding the determinant, you can write this condition. And equal to p means yz into bracket deba q by deba z is derivative of z is 1 into 2x. With respect to z, 2x constant. 1 into 2x is 2x. Minus deba r by deba y. With respect to y, x is constant, 3 is constant. Derivative of y is 1. Minus 3x. Minus plus 3x. Plus q is 2xz into bracket deba r by deba x is minus 3y. Minus deba p by deba z derivative of z is 1. With respect to z, y is constant, minus y. Plus r is minus 3xy into bracket deba p by deba y derivative of y is 1. Z is constant, multiply by it. So z minus deba q by deba x x with respect to x, 2z constant, derivative of x is 1 minus 2z. After simplifying we get 0. That is, the necessary condition of integrability is satisfied for the given total differential equation. Hence, given equation is integrable. Now we can solve this equation in different manner. This is total differential equation. We can take any variable uh, z or y or x as constant, and we get the reduced equation of given equation, and then we find the integral of reduced equation, and then we differentiate, and then we compare with given equation. This is one method. Or this is homogeneous, since degree of every term is same, that is 2. So if given equation is homogeneous and it is total differential equation, then the substitution for solving this equation is put x equal to uz and y equal to vz, and after simplifying you can solve given equation. Or another method is, first check in any of the method, you have to first verify the necessary condition of integrability is satisfied or not. It must be satisfied, and then you have to solve the given equation and find the integral in any one of the method. Also there is another method, is simple method. That means you can first check the condition of integrability, it is satisfied, then you can divide this equation by xyz. So cancelling some terms, related terms, we get equation as dx upon x plus 2 dy upon y minus 3 dz upon z equal to 0. And integrating it, we get log of x plus 2 log of y, that is log of y square, minus 3 log of z, that is minus log of z cube equal to log of c. That is log of xy square upon z cube equal to log of c. Cancelling log, we get xy square upon z cube equal to c. This is, or xy square equal to cz cube. This is solution of given equation. You can solve, this is simple method. Or you can solve this equation by taking any variable as constant, or by homogeneous method. That is, given equation is homogeneous, then use substitution x equal to uz and y equal to vz, and then after simplifying you can solve this given total differential equation. Thank you.